So, here I am, playing a good old classic. You should have some nostalgia for this. Alright. You're not big enough to ram through the door. Yeah. This should have some nostalgia. That's right. Plain old nostalgia. No threads, no strings at all. Even though I am just 13 years old, I still feel like a grown-up. So that may be because I am a very mature person. You wouldn't find me being like stupid old frat boys. No way. Mainly because I'm only 13 years old. Now let's see. Heavy cut. Not enough food. Pretty satisfied cat, if you ask me. Fully achieved. Ooh, if you get all the way up to 8, you've got yourself another Sushi Cat. There's 10 bonus sushi. You can't see the burger cursor. They edit out the cursor. At least that's what I think. Aww. Aw, man. This won't be nearly as easy. Oh, that's just a double store. Oh, I thought there was a... Oh no. That old cat gets fatter each time he eats the delicious sushi. Yay, 10 bonus sushi! How did this get so popular? Anyway. Oh, I didn't know the lanterns actually prevented you from falling. Ooh, double I score. Wow, quadruple score. 3,000 points. Now you're playing with power. I'm gonna be smarter about the next one. Yep, that's smarter. Ooh. Double score, Talahula Louise. Woohoo! Just need 5 more. Very achieved. Nine bonus sushi left. Not bad. I got some bonus sushi. Fat cat. Yep, I was right. I was right about those clock thingies. You have to be clever to get all the sushi you need. My score is doubled. Hey, 100! This is the smartest way to go for that extra 100. Ooh, a full berry. How exactly did this get so popular? I mean, if you take a good look, it has 683,163 views, meaning that many people played that game. And I'm one of them now. How did it get so popular? I mean, everyone knows it's a good old classic, but still. I don't even have a game for myself, but still. How did it get so popular? Now this is where it gets a little more difficult. Those wheelie thingies can spin you up in any direction. Don't know. Yes. Haha. It's impossible to fling. It's impossible to get flinged out of the playing area. This is the smartest way to go for, you know, the whole extra food business. If I can just get... Oh no, I missed one more cat. Ooh, yay. I just got lucky. Good thing I got an extra cat, otherwise I would have been doomed. Doomed, I tell you. I would have been pretty well and truly doomed. Well, now that you're fatter... It costs 3 yens. With 1 yen! It cost a yen! You're going to need a yen. sumo competition! Win 1 yen! Are you kidding me? 1 yen is enough money to afford for that bus trip you want for your girlfriend. I know what you want. Oh, and just don't get stuck, okay? You've got quite the tendency to do that, you know. Tuami roll. Oh, you just need 5 more sushi. 4 more sushi. You don't need much more. In fact, you've got bonus. There's always gonna be 10 bonus just for you. A little frenzy for you. Sumoville, Part 2. There's not really much of strategy here, but... Ooh, there is a strategy. Tuami rule. Wow, that is one fat cat. Extreme cat. Hey, be grateful it didn't suddenly explode. I just need 2 more sushi and I can achieve my dreams. Wow, I've got plenty of extra cats. Okay, time to kick this one up too. Oh, come on. Oh, man. The music stopped. Still got a sushi frenzy! Extremely fat cat. Hey, I'm sorry if it's so fat. Why don't you go chop your head off with a guillotine if you think it's so fat? Ya fatta? Hey, it's just a super fat cat. Not like it's gonna kill him or anything. Yeah, you keep saying that, Laka. What does Laka mean? It's just a slang term that was made for an insult. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Laka. I guess I just want to throw rocks at your face. Piggy cat. There's still 8 more sushi left. Yeah, just so I could get 1 more sushi. Or maybe 2 for the sushi. Ah yes, lucky day for me. Sushi frenzy. Ah, this is pretty easy, I have to admit this is kind of easy. Ah, I just need 30 sushi. Fat cat. Fat man. Fat man. Fat man. Fat man. Fat man. Fat man. No, 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 fat man. Fat man. No, 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 fat man. Fat man. No, 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 fat man. Fat man. No, 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 fat man. Fat man. No, 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 fat man. Just fat. The Shogun! Shogun's challenge. It's the Shogun's challenge that you must accept. The Shogun is angry at you, and he has a very difficult challenge that you must accept, and you must pass it, or you will surely perish. Fat cat indeed, but you are still not the master of the Shogun. You have not bested the Shogun yet, Fat cat. Oh, it's Sushi Cat? Didn't know. Couldn't really tell with all that fat around. But I can clearly see you're more than a very fat. I can clearly see you're more than, well, basically a very fat cat. 10 bonus sushi. We'll see how many of them you can get. Wow, I'm impressed you even managed to get one. But you managed to slightly outdo the Shogun. Congratulations. You win the tournament. Now, Sushi Cat must become even fatter than that. Let's watch all the scenes, all the cutscenes again. Reason number 1 to get fat. Door does not open. Why will the door not open? Door will never open. Ooh, bigger. Let's get it easily. Part 2. Now bigger and fatter. You are now fat enough to enter a door. But now your next challenge is coming. 3 yen. 2 yen. You can win a yen if you manage to defeat that one sumo wrestler. Thus you must become even fatter. Yes. Now you've become very, very fat. But not enough. Huh? It is not quite enough just yet. The carnival is your next journey. But now there is a new problem with your weight. You are not fat enough yet. So thus you must become even fatter still. Can you do it? This is a very difficult challenge. Dragon Cannon! Platform that are edible Dragon Cannon's an edible platform! Yes, you've reached the big spot, Sushi Cat. Yes, you have bested the Shogun many times. But now you must best the Emperor. Oof! A failed dragon shot! I'm going to lose if things do not change. Oh no, I missed my tooth! No! You are one very fat cat. I just need 15 more. Just 12 more. Oh no, it's the final one. What am I going to do now? Oh no. Oh, I do it again. Incredible luck! Just 13 more. Yes. You only need 4 more, Sushi Cat. Just 1 more! There! Oh, you got a bonus, Sushi! Yikes! The challenge is even more difficult now. Great challenges, not so easy adventure tasks. And even worse. No. You must have a monstrously fat cat in order to succeed such a way. This cat is so fat that it might as well explode. Super fat cat. Not bad, so fat your head could explode. It gradually gets fatter and fatter as it eats more sushi. Oh, barely achieved. Oh, I still have 3 more. Put yourself into the cannon! Ow! Oh no, not this again! Hit! Fall! Straight fall, didn't get blocked. Yes! More sushi! Ah, yes, I managed to get a big bonus for this. Perfect! Saved by that block. 5 bonus sushi. Thank you. You have helped me achieve my dreams. Ultimate difficulty. Being insanely fat can sometimes help you in your journey to become even fatter. Fattyism up! Now go out from the other side. Times 6 multiplied. multiplier. Just 2 more. Full ability achieved. The incredible Sushi Cat. This incredible cat has eaten enough sushi to gain 20 pounds in 1 month. 20 pounds! It has failed, but you will still succeed. More than 400,000 coins. Oh, you are indeed hungry. Don't worry, we'll fill you up faster than you could ever imagine. Please. I'm going back to level select. Ah, level 14. The probability that you get stuck becomes more and more likely as you get bigger and bigger. Super fast cat. Just 9 more sushi. It's a good strategy. Full belly achieved, yes. Don't mess this up. I even managed to get bonus sushi. $451,400 points. The Jungle's Challenge. The Jungle's Challenge. I'm so clever, it's scary. So clever, it's scary. Super fat. The end. Developed by Armor Games. Oh no. No, I would rather shoot myself than do that. Actually, maybe maybe I will. I might, but I also might not. Well, till next time.